Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the NUBIA Air and I'm going to tell you what to do when screen rotation isn't working in your phone. So actually this is a very common issue, so what to do now? At first, go to the settings in your phone over here and tap display. Here you have to search for this option. Over to me. Here, auto rotate screen. Tap auto rotate screen, and now this should work for you. Let's check if that works. Actually, as you can see, it does very well. If yours does after the reset of the option, that's nice. But still, if it doesn't, check if it works. If you do have the screen rotation button, I don't know where was that actually, because I don't really remember that, but this, as you can see, with auto rotate screen turned off, it phones the orientation changes, tap the button to rotate the screen manually. So, rotate the screen, and here if you do get this button, tap this button to rotate the screen. As you can see, this is a very useful button, and to fix the issue, just check if you have this button. But here, if I didn't fix your issue and still it doesn't work, what I do recommend is to go to different application right now, for example, any of you have installed, and check if the gyroscope does work. For example, we can go to the compass application. It's not the gyroscope, but we can check if it, as you can see, we don't have the compass. So, we do have. So let's check if that works. As you can see, it does work, so our gyroscope works and our sensor works. But if yours doesn't and your compass is somehow bugged, click the volume up button and power. Tap restart and restart your phone to reset sensors. This should fix your issue. But here, if it doesn't fix your issue, let's just wait until it goes and I will show you the rest. Now, as you can see, our phone booted up, and we can go to the settings over here and scroll all the way down to the system and update. Here, tap system update, and now here, if you have any update pending and available, update your phone immediately. It's because we may fix using this update any sensor issues. As you can see, the version over here is 15.0.5, and this 5 means that there are all the fixes in this version. So don't worry, it's completely normal to have any errors, any mistakes and bugs in the system itself, and the developers should release any update in soon and fix your issue. But if they don't, go to the authorized service and have your phone fixed. As for the warranty details. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.